Understanding intransitive verbs. Welcome, students. Today, we are focusing on a specific type of verb called an intransitive verb. Let's break down exactly what that means and how to spot them in a sentence. Definition. An intransitive verb is a verb that does not require an object to complete its meaning. Simply put, the verb makes complete sense on its own. The basic structure. At its simplest form, you only need a subject and the verb. Birds fly. She sleeps. The sun rises. Adding context. You might wonder, can I add more information after the verb? Yes, you can. While you cannot have a direct object following the verb, you can include additional information using complements or adverbs, such as describing a place or the manner in which something is done. The baby cried, verb, loudly, adverb of manner. They danced, verb, at the party, adverb of place. We waited, verb, patiently for hours, additional information. Comparing transitive and intransitive. To make it crystal clear, let's look at the difference between the two. Intransitive, he laughed here. No object, makes complete sense on its own. Transitive, he kicked the ball. Needs an object, the ball, to receive the action. Quick identification tip. If you are ever unsure if a verb is intransitive, ask yourself, what, or whom, immediately after the verb. Take the sentence, she is crying. Ask, is she crying what? Is she crying whom? Since there is no answer, the verb is intransitive. Practice. Let's test your knowledge with the examples from our guide. 1. Identify the intransitive verb. A. She bought a book. B. The rain stopped. C. He wrote a letter. D. They play football. Answer. B. Because the rain stopped has no direct object. 2. Fill in the blank. The river beautifully. Flows, builds, sings, makes. Answer. Flows, as it is the only verb here that is intransitive.